Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will draw decorative horse illustration lesson. Begin by laying the foundation of the drawing with a basic sketch of the horse's overall form. This initial structure gives you a clear layout, making it easier to add details later. Complete the base sketch by drawing the horse's eyes, nose, and ears. Start designing the hair, keeping its flow natural and consistent with the shape of the horse. Make sure all shapes are cohesive and flow well together to create a visually appealing design. Pay attention to the composition, as the placement of shapes is a key element in drawings like this. Vary the shapes, line thickness, and sizes to add interest and make the artwork more dynamic. Use repetition wherever suitable. It's a powerful design principle that helps unify the piece. Take your time while drawing. Pause the video and follow along. If you have any doubts, leave a comment and we'll help you out. Make sure your lines are smooth. Avoid unnecessary scribbles that may affect the neatness of the drawing. Once the sketch is complete, begin filling it with colors. Keep the colors within the lines to prevent them from mixing and creating a messy look. Color selection matters a lot. For now, follow the colors we use. Later, feel free to experiment with your own palette. For this design, we're going with a vibrant approach, choosing bright and lively colors. Whatever coloring medium you use, ensure the layer is even and consistent throughout. When painting small or narrow areas, take your time and use a smaller brush for better precision. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to our channel so you never miss our new drawing lessons. Don't forget to like the video and turn on notifications to stay updated with all our upcoming art content. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.